this cool little reservoir up here in the mountains, about 7,000 feet of elevation. Still can't believe how much snow kind of is behind me. I got my fishing pole all set up, got a nice little chair. I packed a little lunch, a little sandwich, and then I'm gonna continue on this trail. Kind of goes up through these mountains over here, and just enjoy this beautiful day. It's still a little cold up here, but bundled up and nothing better. I've been off-roading for a little bit. Got a little overcast. It's really cold up at that reservoir, so I came down here kind of more into the mountains on this cool little dirt trail, and just gonna explore this for a while, see where it goes, and go get a cup of coffee or something a little bit later when I find a place.